Welcome back to my channel. Jacqueline C here, back for another video. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this month, September, we're in September, I'm like, it's flying by. And this is my birthday month, which is, I guess it's bittersweet because I love birthdays. I love like my birthday, of course. I love celebrating everyone else's birthday. And so, but you know, I was at my mom's house this weekend and she was like, you have so many gray hairs. And I was like, thanks, Mom. So today I went and got my hair done and I made sure she dyed, like, you know, this top and got my edges. So it's a little dark around the edges because I was like, get it as dark as you can. But I don't know why. It feels like these gray hairs are just like popping up and popping up. Like I can't dye them quick enough. I'm just like, so that's the whole bittersweet. But you know what? I'm like always looking for fun things to do, and so I'm going to visit my brother. I wanted to go this month, but this month is so busy, so we're gonna go in like the first week of October to go visit him. So that'll be fun, and hopefully I can video and bring you guys along, so that'll be pretty fun. And then also I decided, you know what, I try to do a video a week, but I just want to do a birthday unboxing a week, you know, kind of like Vlogmas, and who doesn't love Christmas? And I mean, my birthday is right up there with Christmas for me. Like I love celebrating, and so I'm like, okay, let's do a video a week. And I have some big items that I've purchased, and then I've been making small purchases. I'm gonna be doing a video on some new makeup products that I just recently tried. I've been trying them out. Like today I meant to video in the morning and then in the afternoon so that you guys can kind of see them. And I'm rushing every morning, so especially during the week, getting ready for work and everything. But I actually have been trying, I think it's like a CoverGirl powder, and I've never purchased like a drugstore powder. You guys know how I rave about Dior, and I just absolutely love Dior. So I'm trying that out. And so anyways, let me know if you guys tried CoverGirl, Maybelline. The only thing that I used to religiously use was the mascaras. I believe it was like, not Lancome, L'Oreal and Maybelline. And then I used to use a Maybelline eyebrow pencil, which I don't really have a favorite eyebrow pencil right now. I was obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills for a long time, but I think last year during the 21 Days of Beauty, I tried one from Benefit, and I actually really liked that one. But recently I bought a NYX, and my brows are microbladed, so I think I just went with like a lighter color. I'm really heavy-handed, and I was getting a lot of compliments on them, how good they look, but I think it was just that I did the lighter color, so they're not so like in your face, like you see my brows. And so I think that just made a big difference. But it's just so hot right now, oh my gosh, in California, you know, triple digits, that I just wanted to try something lighter. I don't usually wear like foundation, only when I'm like, I don't really want to say when I'm really doing my makeup, because even then I really don't. Just every once in a while, like I'll have some. But so I usually just wear powder, but I do really like the I think it's the Dior Face and Body, like the all over. So I have been wearing that, but I'm just like, I feel like at the end of the day my face is like really oily because it's so hot, and I'm just like walking from work to the car, from the building to the car, you know, you're perspiring, and it's, you know, just a few steps. And so I'm just like, oh, I don't want to be putting all that on my face right now. But anyway, so I'm trying that and just trying not to use so many products. So I did pick up the Maybelline Fit Me, I think that's what that loose powder. I have that on. I have a NYX, which NYX has always been a brand that I've used, but I recently tried a e.l.f. What is it, concealer. And so like I said, I'm gonna do a whole video on it. I need to like use it in the morning and the afternoon so we can kind of see the difference. My face was a little bit oily. I actually just blotted it right now before I started this video. So that's gonna be coming up. Also guys, I don't know if you guys know, but the 21 Days of Beauty are going on. And there's, like I said, I always buy their mascaras because honestly, everything's 50% off, and like a 50% off mascara at Ulta, like, you know, MAC or whatever, they're like $13.50. That's like the price of a Maybelline or L'Oreal. And so I always pick those up around that time, and eyebrow pencils, because again, those are also going to run around the same with that 50% off. It's a good deal. I did order, I think, 4 of the Benefit pencil, because I think that was a couple of days ago. So they have a few things that are coming up. Like my mom uses Juice Beauty. She likes that product, and they have something coming. I don't know if it's tomorrow or the day after, but Christmas is right around the corner, guys. You know, September, fall kicks off. You have, you know, all the holidays I feel like start coming. For me, it's like my birthday, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It's just so like so quick, September, October, November. And so I use these sales and these times to just start my Christmas shopping already. So I'm picking up a lot of beauty products that I know that she likes, or things that I know she's wanted to try, and I'll gift her. My mom's birthday is also in December, so I end up just starting now to you know, pick up some things that I know that she likes. I know she wants a big ticket item too that will probably also be like her gift. And we always try to go somewhere. Like we're going, like I said, we're going out of town for my birthday. And then I told her, I just watched Gina Janine and she did a staycation, and I told her we should do something like that. Last year we went to Las Vegas for her birthday, and so I'm like, let's kind of, her birthday's in December, but you know, those places are great weather, or Palm Springs. So we're thinking about doing something like that. So anyhow, so like I said, I'm gonna try to do kind of like a vlogmas, but we're just gonna be doing a little unboxing for my birthday. And I picked up some things from Shein. I've never purchased anything from Shein. My daughter has, but I haven't. So I'm gonna do a little haul there. So I'm gonna be sharing some things with you guys and just getting ready, and then hopefully sharing some clips and videos of what I will be doing this month, because I'm one of those people that believe in celebrating your birthday all month long, especially when I'm feeling some type of way, you know, getting rid of these gray hairs. Like, you know what? It is what it is. But, you know, I'm just thankful to still be here, to be healthy, to have my health and my family, friends, and to be able to celebrate. So, looking at the positives. I know we talked about that in a video before. So, without further ado, I know I've been rambling. Let's get started with this unboxing. So, and I've actually had this for a little while, so super excited. Gonna go ahead and open this up. What do you guys think it is? I've actually purchased recently 2 things that I've really wanted. Every year, my mother still spoils me, and she will usually go in with me on a handbag. Now, this is not the one that she is gifting me for my birthday. I think that's so, oh, I love it how they have like their name written on the box. And inside here, I almost tossed this. This is, I think, just the receipt envelope. So we'll recycle that box. And yeah, this is just thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton and returns and exchanges. But like I said, this is a purchase I made a while ago. So that time's probably, yes, I purchased this, July 10th. Yeah. So, and this is just the receipt. And then throw that back in there. And you know me, with boxings, I'm always talking about my Dior packaging. I just love packaging. I keep these little ribbons and I repurpose them, whether it's for my hair or whatever it's for. So let's open this. Guys, what do you guys think it is? And I keep my boxes too, because if you ever resell, you know, I usually try to give them the full experience as well. And then on here, you know what? I think I was silly and I attached the happy birthday. Did I? Is this like a little happy birthday card? Yes. If I can, I'm not opening at the right end, but yeah, I think I ordered this over the phone and they were like, is it a special occasion? And I just put just happy birthday. Okay. And I'm gonna open it right now. What is it? It's something that I've been wanting for a while. And I'm one of those people, I'm like, okay, I wanted it. It's the Pochette accessoire. And it's always sold out. And I actually purchased it before it went up. And then I was like, you know what? I should have brought the multiple one, the one that has the long strap, because I really do want to get a little chain strap. But I just think this is perfect for a cute little date night. We have our little tags and everything in here. It has a little inside pocket. And I used to have a Neverfull that was this monogram print, and I sold it. And so now my Neverfull is the Azure? I think that's what it's called. It's like a little white and gray. So that is the one that I have. So I didn't have anything that was monogram. Now I have this. Now I have two things, I think, because I also have a Speedy, but my Speedy is like the darker checkered. I think it's the I don't even want to not pronounce it correctly. So I have that, and so now I have this and something else that I'll be sharing with you guys next week, hopefully. Waiting for that. And I'm so excited. I'm like, you know what, you guys, I told you guys I was doing a no-buy August, and that did not work out for me very well. Actually, I'm like, didn't I buy this in August? Or maybe no, I probably did buy this in July. It's been that long. I bought the other thing in August. And I've just been waiting because I knew this was going to be part of my birthday gifting. I'm so excited to wear this out, but I do want to buy a little chain. I know a lot of people, I've watched a few videos for the little chain to dress it up, so I'm excited for that. So I think this is very, very cute. I almost bought a little wallet, but we'll wait and see, because I'm so torn, guys, between an LV wallet, a Dior wallet, and I actually don't have anything Dior besides like beauty products. But as far as like a bag or SLGs, I don't own anything Dior. So I kind of really want to get like that little Dior saddle wallet. That is like, I think I want that to be one of my little birthday. And I actually am thinking about waiting until we go on our trip, because I always like to buy something and it's memorable, because then I remember that. So I don't know, that is kind of on my wish list, so that might be something that I pick up. But anyways, this was what I purchased for this week that I wanted to share with you guys for my birthday vlogs. I'll be back next week. Like I said, I have another LV item that I'm waiting for that I really am excited about, because I have been going back and forth on I wanted this item, but I didn't know what brand. So when you guys see it, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you guys for popping in. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.